we already went over how to build the login user page. And what that did was we're really just looking about how we fit in with our base HTML. Our base HTML, we had to make some decisions about what parts of the page are going to be common among all of the pages on our site. So we have the wrapper, everything's in the wrapper, then we have the nav bar and these blocks, and then the content goes here inside this wrapper. So when we take a login page from our theme and we want to use it, we need to see, okay, we need to find where the main content is, and we start from there, and that goes into the block which fills in right here. So we need to be careful that we find all of this stuff in the example login page that our theme provides, and we just snip out the code that we want that would fit right here. And we've done that. The next thing that we had to do was that we needed to, each of these fields, the email and password for the login, was being, we looked at how that code was used in the HTML template, and it didn't come out right when we used this command, because if we see this render field with errors is coming from this import. That's where this little macro, sort of a Jinja method, is being loaded from this macros. So if we look at security macros, here it is, and we can see where this is. We had to make some adjustments to the classes here, to the classes here, in order for the field to be properly displayed in the same way that the theme was doing. So we made the adjustments to this macro. So now we've done that together for login user, but now we have to do with the rest of them. These are not required, but change password, forgot password, register user, reset password, send confirmation, send login. Yeah, we can skin all of these things in a similar fashion. Yeah, and if we go to the menu, we cut out the menu. Most of these reset passwords have like a menu to switch from, oh, I just need to log in, I don't need my password reset or whatever. We could update the menu as well. Right now the menu looks very ugly. It's not according to our theme at all. We could update this if we wanted to, but at the very least this menu provides some nice if statements where we can see, we can test things, and we see the URL for the various register page, because we use these security URL for, since these pages are being run by a Flask add-on called Flask Security. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.